we made Igba Uzaki. If you are in Enugu State, you might have eaten it. Not so many people knows about it. It's an Igbo delicacy. It's delicious. It's full of protein. It's healthy. It's a bean species, as I said, so it's very healthy. It looks like Okpa, not really, but it looks like in shape, okay? Because this is Okpa is yellowish, and this is see it, just dark brown. So, hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Oninyude, and if today is your first time of joining my channel, then you are welcome. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the comments. I really appreciate. Thanks for subscribing, and if you have not, please do so before the end of this video. Thank you once again. So on today's video, I'm going to be making a local Igbo food. Sometimes you use it as a snack. So this is what I have here. So many of you might have eaten Okpa Enugu State, but I don't know whether you have eaten this, and if you have, let me know what you call it in your dialect. So what I have here is almost the same thing with Okpa, but it is not Okpa. As you can see, the color is like a little brown. Okpa is white. So it's Uzaki. We call it Uzaki. Okay, Igbo people call it Uzaki. Okay, there are so many ways of preparing it. You can roast it like peanuts and eat it with a palm kernel or coconut. Yeah, people hawk it on the roadside, okay, for snacks. But the one I'm going to be making today is food, the one you cook, okay? Unlike Okpa, it's very simple to prepare. You don't have to avoid putting it in cold water. You don't have to mix it up with oil before, like stage by stage like Okpa. No. Today we are going to be putting everything together. Then we will mix it up. It's very nutritious because it is a beans, okay? So we are making Igba Uzaki. That is what we call it. Nkano people calls it ata anota miri, okay? Because it's so hard that when you are eating it, you'll be forced to drink water. So that is what I'm going to be preparing for you today. I'll be making some local Igbo dishes, okay? So this is one of them. These are the ingredients. It's very simple to make. As I said, you don't need much, no spices at all. I have oil, just like Okpa, oil, our red oil. Then I have salt, then fresh pepper, water. Mostly they use I've not seen anybody that used this bag, okay, to do it. What I see is leaves, okay? I don't have leaves. If you have Oma leaf for agidi, you can use it. If you have other leaves, if you are opportune to be in a place where you can get the main leaf for it, dried banana leaf, they use it. Not a fresh banana, dried one, they use it for it, okay? And other leaf they use for it to wrap it. So but I'm gonna be using this bag. This is we call it a Santana bag, or what, for bread. That bag for bread. So this is it. So this is the bag, okay? This is what I'm using, twist bag, okay? That is what we are going to be using to wrap our Igba, okay? So let's go on with the preparation. If you know Igbo Uzaki, you have eaten it before, but you don't know how to cook it, I'm going to teach you today how to make it. Please share this video. People need to see it, okay? And God bless you. So I added some salt to it. We have the uzaki and we are going to start the preparation. I'm going to add oil, our red oil. Add as much as you desire, okay? Then I'm going to add the salt. Our onion. Everything goes the same time, goes in the same. I'll add water and start mixing. You don't need too much water, okay? It's gonna be thick. It's going to be thick. Now I'm going to use my hand, okay? It's much easier, okay? So I told you, it's not like okpa that you have to, first of all, you mix with oil, then you start adding hot water. This is cold water, okay? Very simple to make, just like this. If you do over like this, it will be full of lumps. So that's the difference between okpa and uzaki. Don't do okpa like this, or it will be full of lumps. To add more oil. It's usually almost black in color when it's done. Yeah. You see this consistency? So this is what we want, okay? It's gonna be like this, then we will wrap it. It's not going to be anything watery, but it's not hard either. It's very soft. So when it's like that, you know you have the right consistency. We are going to taste it and see how it tastes before wrapping it. So we are done mixing, and we are going to be tasting it for salt. So as you see, this is it. This is how you make it and you wrap it. It's not watery, okay? So we are going to taste it for salt, and it tastes so good, okay? I didn't add any bouillon, okay? Just salt. This is what I'm using to wrap our Igba Uzoaki, okay? I have already prepared bags, okay? I have them here, just the way I did with Okpa, okay? But I'm gonna show you once again how to wrap it, how I tied it, okay? So this is it. The bottom, just tie it up. Tie the bottom up so you can get a shape of a ball or what. And look at you, turn it over like this, okay? So this is how I did it. Look at the bottom, then you tie it. Simple. Then turn it over. Okay, so you can get a shape of a ball, okay? I'm scooping it with a spoon, like this. Put the quantity you want, then I'm going to wrap it, okay? I'm going to be wrapping it, okay? I use something to tie it, string. So this is Igba Uzoaki, okay? Yet to be cooked. Then I wrap another one. Open it like this so you can get to the bottom, okay? So you don't make a mess. Did you see? It's not watery, just like a dough. Then we wrap it. They usually make this thing so small because it's very thick and it satisfies. It's very satisfying. Look at it. Red ball?
The red ball.
Oh, we are going to help you and find the red ball. Oh?
Red ball.
We are going to help you and find the red ball. Oh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Red ball.
Yes, we are going to help you and find the red ball.
Find the red ball.
Yes, my son. So this is how you tie it. Okay, so our Igba Uzoaki is all wrapped. Okay, it's still raw. Don't be deceived. It's not Okpa. It's Igba Uzoaki. Okay, so I'm going to start cooking. Okay, I have my water on the stove, so I'm going to start putting it. You don't have to put your put it in hot water, okay? It's not going to spoil like Okpa. Okpa, you need hot boiling water before you put it so that it can thicken up immediately. Okay, so I'm putting it and we are going to be cooking. So you don't have to do this. You don't have to put it in hot water. You can just put it in a cold water. Put it in a cold water and start cooking. It will not spoil. We are going to cook it for like 1 hour, okay, so that it will cook properly. Okay, so look at our Igba Uzaki. It's been cooking for 1 hour and it is done. As you can see, it's brown. Okay, as you can see, it's properly cooked. After getting it out, we will allow it to cool down to get the right texture, because it's strong. When it cools down, it's strong. So this is what we made today. As you can see, it is done. This is Igba Uzaki. It's not Okpa at all. As you can see, it's like wheat flour, wheat fufu. It's Igba Uzaki. Okay, look at it. It's a local Enugu State delicacy. Okay, you see people hawking it on the road. You see people hawking it on the road. If you have not eaten it before, if you don't know how to cook it, maybe you have eaten it but you don't know how to cook it, then this video is for you. Okay, it is done. It is nutritious. It's full of flavor. You don't need much ingredients for it, because it has just like beans, it has its own taste. It's a pea. So the Igba is properly cooked now. I'm opening one.
Mommy,
as you can see,
no.
this is how it looks. This is the texture, and if you use a leaf, it will be darker than this. Okay, it will be darker. It's full of protein. Okay, it's a bean specie. It's a bean specie. I allowed it to cool down so that it will not split too much. So right now I'm going to cut it. Okay, this is it. This is it. This is it. And it tastes so good. Okay, look at it. It tastes so good. So today we made Igba Uzaki. Okay, we made Igba Uzaki. If you are in Enugu State, you might have eaten it. Not so many people knows about it. It's an Igbo delicacy. It's delicious. It's full of protein. It's healthy. It's a bean specie, as I said. It's a bean specie, as I said. So it's very healthy. It looks like Okpa. Not really, but it looks like in shape. Okay, because this is Okpa is yellowish, and this is see it, just dark brown. So we are coming to the end of our video today. I want you to subscribe, comment, share this video, and I will be seeing you in my next video. God bless you.